Hey everybody, out at the field with my FRC Foamies F18 Hornet again. Pardon me, taking a bit of a chance here today. I haven't actually bench tested. This is the Gemfan Hurricane 51-499 tri-blade prop. I haven't actually tested it on 4S. I did give it a quick spin on the watt meter, pulled about 58 amps, so I'm confident the speed controller and battery can handle it. So let's give her a thrash. Nice. Didn't get it low enough there. Let's try and get it a little lower here on this pass. Yeah, so not, the blinding increase in speed that I see on a, on a two-blade 6x3, type prop that I've run on 4S on this plane. But, it's definitely got a considerable more giddy up than on 3S. I'm also surprised that even on 4S how quiet this prop is. The 6x3 prop, even on this tail mount, is still really, really loud, but this is actually pretty quiet. I would assume that we're probably pushing about 1,450 grams of thrust. This prop is very similar to the Dull Prop Cyclone 5050. That I did bench test on 4S on this motor with the same speed controller, battery, etc. I'm really loving these 5-inch, approximately 5-inch, obviously 3-blade quad props on this tail mount F18. Like even on 4S, when I hammer the coals to it, I just don't see any torque roll. Really a good choice I'm finding for this, for this motor. Now the one thing on a 4S, I think the motor is, with the fairly high pitch, the motor is having a bit of difficulty, continuing to maximize the prop as the, oh, where am I going there? As the RPM builds. But, what the heck, can have a lot of fun. Alright, just rip her in a full throttle turn there. Nice. Ooh, avoid the sun. Burn out the old retina. That wouldn't be a good day of flying. Yeah, so just too much fun. Okay, we'll do another high-speed pass here. There we go, a little victory roll on climb out. Nice. Alright. Throttle back. Chop the power. This F18 will glide forever. Nice. Well, at least I didn't end up in another postal code like I normally do. Alright. So let's see. This is the second flight back-to-back. On 4S, it's still fairly cool here. Actually, that motor is actually barely warm, to be honest with you. Really surprised. Obviously, I can't tell how warm the speed controller might have got. Yeah, battery's just fine. Yeah, so there we go, folks. There's the FRC Foamies F18 Hornet. Running the Gemfan 51-499 3-blade quad prop. FRC 2306 2750 kV motor, just a beast of a motor. HobbyWing Platinum PRO 40 amp speed controller, custom settings of 26.25 degrees. Timing, 8 kilohertz on the pulse width modulation. And yeah, so there we go on 4S. A little bit faster, a little more fun, makes things happen a little faster, gets the heart rate going. And yeah, just having an absolute blast flying this FRC Foamies Hornet. Approaching 170 flights on it now, believe it or not, just flying the wings right off it. So there we go, folks. Thanks very much for watching. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone. Park jet noise, other sound of freedom, baby. Take care.